Sit. Sit. Paw. Paw. Good boy. I'm gonna be changing out this old fill filter to this brand new one. First, let's start by jacking up the car. And you guys always want to chalk off your wheels when you guys are jacking it. I'll also recommend getting a little bucket, so when you take off the fuel filter and it releases pressure, all the gas will go in here. Alright guys, first thing you want to do, loosen up this bolt. So what we're going to do is loosen this up. You're going to get one nut on here and the other one on here. One right here, one right there, and you're going to twist the bolts. If you have a flare nut, it would be better. So it looks like that, it's cut off. Then these ones would work better. And then all that pressure. That's in my mouth. Yeah. And then let's take this off here. All you do is just pop that side, and just pop this side, and then it should slide out like so. Like that. This side, now you can try to catch both sides. But take off this side, wiggle this one out from this side. You want to get this wire off like that. And there you go. Like that. And then you can just slide this out like that. That's it. Now, when you guys get the new one, you can only go in one way. Exactly the same way. So there's no way you can mess this up, because this is what feeds, this tube is what feeds from your gas tank. So that shoves right here, goes into here, filters it out, and then this shoots it, this line shoots it to your engine, to your injectors. So, and then another thing too, I've seen people clean off their O-rings right here. I've seen people put anti-seize right here. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna put some anti-seize in here to make sure it doesn't rust like and be as hard as it was to get off like last time. So let me go do that. We'll go put the anti-seize on. So all we're gonna do, we're gonna shove it through here because it won't fit the other way. Shove it through like so. And then you just line up these ones with this side, and then it should bolt right back in. Make sure this is in the way. Just like that. And then you do this. Okay, now that your car is off the jack stand and you have everything plugged in, now you want to prime your pump. So don't turn it on, just turn it on to the accessory mode. So do that like 3 times, just fire up. And it sounds like it does perfectly fine. Now the next thing you guys want to do is come under here, make sure nothing is leaking. Seems like everything is fine. Yep, no leaks, no nothing. No leaks. Seems like everything is good. Put your hand around it. See if you feel any gas coming out. Put it right here. You feel any gas? No. 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 So after you let it run for a little bit, I would say go drive it around for a little bit. Try to take it around your block or something for at least like 10 minutes. That you're back home, and you want to go back in. Nope. 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 When you're on the fuel lines, nothing. It looks absolutely disgusting. It doesn't say a date or anything on here. I want to cut it open to see the filter, but when I was pouring it out, it looked disgusting, so But anyways, the reason why you change out your fuel filter is because if that is clogged, the less fuel it's going to be going into your system, the more your pump is going to have to push. Yeah, that's why you always want to change this out. I don't know how much miles you need to change it out, but definitely change it out, because the better flow you have going to your engine, the better. So the less stress you put on your fuel pump, and the cleaner fuel you'll get to your injectors, the better it'll burn. So just a little thing. And then for all of you guys wondering how much fuel you lose, that's how much you lose. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.